Nike clearance store deals have been insane lately. So we are back out in Santa Clarita. We got 1 hour before they close. We're gonna start with the size 9s. Start with my kiddo size. Some dunks right here, 60. Got Vomeros, 80. Trunners going for 50. Diamond Turf, $70. That is a crazy good price. But I think these are another Diamond Turf, 70 for these. Not too many casual shoes. Do see Vomero, $18, $70. Those are going down in price. Also got Vaporflies at $100 for Vaporflies. That is such a good price. These are close to $3. Retail wise, got these premiums right here. Pegasus premiums, 100. Got them in multiple colorways, 110. Zoomfly 6s go for 80. Pegasus premiums right here, 100. Another Vomero 18, 80. Pro Strongs right here, 70. These the GT Futures, 100 for those. I don't even think I've seen this colorway, have I? Has a dust bag and everything right there. JT 60, KD 70, Zion 4s 70, another KD right here 80. The Browns have been seeing these cheap as hell lately, 100. GT Hustles, $100. Check on the apparel. These have been following me everywhere. I don't know why I've been seeing a bunch of these. $100. That is a small, and it's like the really nice one with the stitched in lettering, or that looks stitched in. I don't know if it actually is. 2 bills down to 100. That is a small. Of course, tons and tons of t-shirts. Got polos right here, $20. USA Soccer t-shirt. It's for a specific player, $20. Air Max 95 neon t-shirt right here. Pretty cool, especially if you have those. 15. Nike's been pissing me off with shorts. I'm not gonna go there. It's Laker shirts. I think these are Laker Jordan shirts. Got medium, small. Yeah, I see medium and small here. At least. Yeah, they're going for 20, normally 42. Got LeBron t-shirts. Also got All-Star t-shirts. And everything here is going for 20. LeBron shorts right here. Got the metal aglets. Also got the zippers, metal zippers. $40. They only have small though, all the bigger sizes taken. Moving over to the 10 and a halves. Where they got some different Vomeros for 80. We got these though, still 100. Tech Challenger 70. Forces 80. What are these? The 4RM 70. Volt colorway of the Vomero 5s. These are 12 and a half, wrong area. 80. 2.3s 80. Cortez is 50. Jordan 1 lows. These are going for 70. Got some of the Vaporflies going for 100, but I don't see any Vomeros or any really good premium shoes other than those. Never mind, they got stuff on this side. Zoomfly 6 is 80. That's crazy, right? I got Pegasus Plus right there. Or Zoomfly 6s. LeBron Trainer 60. 10 and a half Air Max Plus. $80 and $100. Air Max DNs, 100. Colorful dunks right here. We saw these for hella cheap at the outlets. 60. Jordan 4 RMs, 100. I'm sorry, 70 and 70. Flight Courts, 50. Jordan 4 RMs, all purple, 70. Jetman Team 1s, $70. Saw these Trunners. I've been seeing them here for quite some time. 80. Got Zion 4, 70. Luka 5, 60. Tatum 3s, 60. Still got the KDs for 80. Diamond Turfs. Zion 3s. TikTok colorway 70. I was on the phone, so I don't remember where I took. I don't think I did any of the apparel. But yeah, they got tons and tons of apparel. In season and out of season. They got like certain things like this. I think the fleece right here, an extra 20 off. Yeah, it explicitly says fleece tops, so stuff right there. And like they're cheap, like $25 for that bad boy right here, 25 for that one. Extra discounts also get 20% off all this stuff right here. They're just regular sweats, but 75 down to $29.99. They got all kinds of different colors. It includes tech fleece. Tech fleece $50, 50 bucks. These are smalls though, but even in the large right here, look at this kind of an interesting color. But yeah, $50 for those large. So tech fleece, not bad. I mentioned it so many times. Buy off season if you can. They even have refurb stuff now. $25, just regular sweats. And they have stuff over here as well. Someone just went to that rack and said, "Oh, those are the bad colors right there." They have black right there, but yeah, it's probably the more difficult sizes because they do have some smalls and mediums and stuff. Got tech pants, tech pack pants right here, $50. Normally $135. This isn't like the easiest color to match either, though. They got these as well. These are all large. I see small too, and they got black right here. More refurbs, more refurb merch. Always said they should be selling that type of stuff here, like compression pants type. Stuff, tight fit. You think? Yeah, $40. They got small. I see large. I see XL. All right, let's knock out the bigger sizes. Jordan 6 lows right here, $70. Spizikes go for $80. Got all black Spizikes right here. Black Cats go for $80. Other one, $79.99. Pretty much $80, but just switching it up. Ooh, $60. Do have blanks and blanks, kind of worth keeping an eye on those when they come out and fill them up. Got Victory spikes right here. These are like sprinting spikes. Holy crap, these are hella serious right here. These are crazy. But yeah, $100 for these. Got Blazer Ross specials, $100. We got Dunks, $80. Forces, $90. Oh, I saw these last week. The Blazers, these are the Book Blazer 60, $90 for the Jordan 1 Glow Green, Jordan 1 Hot OG Glow Greens. Red Cortez right here, $50. Size 12 with the Nylon Cortez, $50. Zoom separates, these even have, I think these have Zoom Air in it, $50. UCLA Air Max right here. Kind of cool. It says Bruins right there, $60. 270s. You rarely ever see these that cheap, $80. Rejuvenate right here, go for $40. These all black forces, size 12, $80. The Neon Book ones, 11.5, $70. Air Max DN8s right here, $100. Shocks, $80. We got a lot of the basketball shoes, the Timberlakes, Justin Timberlake's right there. You got the KDs, more KDs, Zoom Freaks, $50. KD, the Coppers right here, $60. Size 13, the Airships. I haven't seen Airships in a minute, $70. 100 all white. DNAs, these are clean as hell. Got 17 minutes Jordan 1 lows. So go for 70. 17 minutes before they close, by the way. Tatum 4s. Go for 60. S13, they got a lot of the same basketball shoes right here. Which ones are these? The 2.5s. Yeah, the Air Max 2.5s. These are 100. What mocks are these? What the hell are these? The Rufus. Got some Rufus right here. These are definitely interesting. Got the chalk. Did I say chalk? They got the cork insoles. Kind of interesting. All condition gear. These are 50. Wow. ACG's always got the premium price, 60 for these. I'm gonna check the women's section. Look at this. $50. $50 for the pony hair 6s right here. These are a size 11 women's. Yeah, they don't have any really big sizes anymore. Dang it, this used to be my spot. All right, let's see what's going on in the women's section. Where we got some Premier 18 Gore-Tex, $80. This premium's 100. Pegasus Plus 110. Another one of these, 110. I really like this color right here. purple, black and white, 100 bucks. These are all size 8 women's. Got some mids for 80. Calm size right here, 25. Oh, calm thongs. Everybody likes thongs. Kind of, sort of, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, $30 for the Rejuvenates. 270s, popular shoe for women. 80, that's a really good price. The Bright 27, the Air Max 95 Big Bubbles. These have been here forever. 100 bucks. I'm on my near colorway of these. Yeah, 100 for these, 100 for these. Dunks go for 80. For dunks and stuff, I'd rather just go to Chic. Man. I feel like Chic's got them for cheaper. 50 for the Cortez. 80 for those. Another dunk right here, 80. 7.5 Jordan 5s right here. 100 bucks. Shocks 100. Ooh, I like that one. And this one looks crazy. That just looks crazy. 100. Dunks for 80. 80 for these. I feel like these have been cheaper at the outlets. Check out the kids 6.5, which is kind of the same size. But check out, see if they have any better deals. 70 for the DNA8s. These are also 70. Jordan Trunners 50. Dunks 40. Dunks are way cheaper. We do got the Lego Dunks right here. We saw one of the other Lego Dunks. This one's way different. Holy crap. But the color changes depending. Does it? No, I thought it changed depending on the angle, but no, not really. But yeah, these are going for 60. Wow. Forces going for 40. Another one 40. Composites going for 80. That's a really good price. Ja1's going for 80. How do they still have these? Air Max 95 Big Bubbles 70. Kids Vomero right here. Remember they use Reactex. They don't use, what's the other one? Zoom X. I don't know why I couldn't think of that. But yeah, $50. Flight cords 40. These are kind of a crazy colorway, the Forces. But yeah, 40 bucks. Hope y'all were able to get some all white refurbs for $27. That the Citadel I posted a short for you guys. My camera's tripping, dude. I don't know. But yeah, $49.99. Ever since I did that last update, just it's been stuttering and stuff. I don't know what's up with that. I think it has to do with like focusing or something. Oh wait, ooh, I just took that off. Ooh, maybe that might do it. That might do it actually. But yeah, $80 for these. I'm figuring out my camera, figuring it out while I'm filming. Yeah, $70 for the LeBrons. Security guard right there telling everybody they got 8 minutes. Pretty cool to give everybody a good heads up, like so the workers can get home on time. Check and see if there's any last minute things that I missed. A ton of t-shirts. $19.99, $12.99. They got drawstring bags right here. Drawstring bags, $10, normally $20. What is this? What is this, like an ice? Oh, this is something to put over your head. It's called a cooling cap. It's a hat and you can put ice in it when you go running and stuff. $145 down to $40. Holy crap. If you guys are runners, they still got 3 left. Got budget soccer shin guards for kiddos, $10. I think I'm gonna go to the Ross next door because the video ain't super long. But yeah, I do got some Jordan 1 Low OGs right here. Matches my Niners pants. Can you believe football season's only a month away? American football, that is, because we call what y'all call football soccer. but yeah, can't believe it. Football season almost already. I know we Americans know, all you fools call this soccer. I know. But yeah, $15 for these bad boys. All right, let's go next door. A little bonus coverage at this Ross. I might have some more Ross later this week. 6 videos this week, that's my goal. That'll be the best week I've had for you guys in quite some time. And that's even with my kid and I spending an entire day and a half. We spent like a day and a half just looking at cars this week, driving all around Southern California. $40 for these. I think these are size 8. We might have something by the end of the week. I'll show you guys if we end up getting it. Working on something. $25 for these. The La France Puma Weatherman right here, $50. Also gonna be out in Vegas in, I think like, what, 9 days? I think in 9 days, hopefully I can get plenty of videos from Vegas. Hit up, I think they got about 3 Nike outlets out there. I think they got 3 Nike outlets and a couple malls. Tried to hit them up. $50 for these. General purpose shoes right here, $45. This time it's gonna be a family trip, so I'll definitely have time to do stuff. Last couple trips, I was just hammered all weekend because I went with a couple of the homies. Yeah, $50 for these girly looking things. Steph Curry's, we've been seeing these. Like some of the retros or something, $40. And then we got the JTs right there. Got a couple of them in the 11 and a half, $70. Ooh, I haven't seen these in a while. The MB lows right here, the MB3 lows. Not seen these in a while, $50. Got the Zion 4s right here. I kind of like the look of these. And they got Zoom Air, yeah, $70. Decent price, especially when it comes to Nike basketball, but prices not that great, dude. Like Ross just really jacking up prices. These are the size 12s right here. They really just jacking up prices, I'm not gonna lie, man. All right, I did check Apparel. I also did check the grade school. Just saw some Puma La France. All right, let's go to the women's section, women's sneaker section, where they do have some, what are these? The Hoka Mafate Speed 2s. 63, they have been marked down, $63. These are huge though. Size 12, is this a women's? Yeah, these are, no, these are men's 11, yeah. Women's 12, women's 12. Got some Chucks, 35. Got some ribbon laces, all right, what the hell? Ooh, what the hell is this? What the hell is this? Got some Sambas right here. They kind of look worn, kind of don't look worn. Man, $40 for these. Got some Gazelles right here in a pink 45. Got a couple more of those. New Balance 550s, $50. I think I finally figured out the stuttering. You guys. Not bad, dude, not bad. Hopefully it wasn't too shaky or too stuttery. I don't know, got these Adidas right here. I don't know what the hell. Gazelle Indoors, what the hell? No, I don't see no price or nothing. Got these Gazelles as well, 45 extra fluffy. Got some Terex right there. Terex is always overpriced, just like ACG from Nike 40. I got these interesting things, some boots, some Japan boots. I got a few of them. Yeah, these are going for $40. I've never even seen these. And I got some cowgirl boots right here, $25. Got some Durango ones right here, $63 for those. Sambas right here, extra long hair suede, $40. I think that's it today. That's it. Got those ugly Gazelles right there. These some wannabe camp. I think that's it, you guys. I'm gonna hit up some more Ross Shop for y'all. Stay tuned.